Logility Decision Intelligence Platform Online Training. What is Gurobi Optimize and how does it work? The Logility Decision Intelligence Platform is an advanced supply chain management platform designed to help businesses optimize their supply chains by combining artificial intelligence, AI, machine learning, ML, and advanced analytics with robust planning and decision-making tools. It provides companies with real-time visibility, predictive insights, and automation to enable smarter, faster, and more strategic decisions across the supply chain. Key features of the Logility Decision Intelligence Platform: end-to-end visibility. Provides a unified view of supply chain operations, from suppliers to customers. Enables tracking and monitoring of inventory, production, and demand in real time. Demand planning and forecasting. Uses AI and ML algorithms to accurately forecast demand based on historical data, trends, and external factors. Helps businesses anticipate market changes and avoid overstocking or stockouts. Supply planning and optimization. Optimizes supply and production plans to align with business goals. Facilitates the creation of efficient schedules, reducing costs and improving service levels. Scenario analysis and what-if simulations. Allows businesses to model various scenarios to understand potential impacts and risks. Empowers decision-makers to plan for disruptions, such as changes in demand, supply shortages, or economic shifts. Inventory optimization. Helps balance inventory levels to minimize costs while ensuring availability. Supports multi-echelon inventory management for complex supply chains. Sustainability and ESG insights. Provides tools for tracking and improving environmental, social, and governance (ESG) metrics. Aligns supply chain operations with sustainability goals. Collaboration and integration. Facilitates seamless collaboration across teams and departments. Integrates with ERP, CRM, and other enterprise systems for streamlined data exchange. Why is it important for supply chain optimization? Improved efficiency and productivity. By automating repetitive tasks and providing actionable insights, the platform reduces manual effort and optimizes resources. Data-driven decision-making. The platform leverages advanced analytics to help businesses make better decisions based on real-time data and predictive insights. Resilience and risk mitigation. It helps organizations identify risks in the supply chain and develop contingency plans to address disruptions. Customer satisfaction. Ensures on-time delivery and accurate order fulfillment by aligning demand and supply planning. How can Logility's AI and machine learning capabilities transform decision-making? Logility's AI and machine learning capabilities can significantly transform decision-making in supply chain management by enabling faster, more informed, and data-driven choices. Here are key ways these capabilities can make an impact. 1. Demand forecasting. AI-driven predictive analytics. Machine learning algorithms analyze historical and real-time data to provide more accurate demand forecasts. This helps businesses anticipate customer needs and plan inventory accordingly. Seasonality and trend analysis. AI can detect subtle patterns, including seasonal trends, and adjust forecasts dynamically. 2. Inventory optimization. Real-time insights. AI models evaluate inventory levels and recommend optimal stock quantities, reducing overstock and stockouts. Dynamic rebalancing. Machine learning continuously learns and adapts inventory policies to align with changing demand and supply conditions. 3. Supply chain risk mitigation. Anomaly detection. AI identifies potential risks, such as supplier delays or demand spikes, by flagging unusual patterns in supply chain data. Scenario planning. Machine learning can simulate various what-if scenarios, helping businesses prepare for disruptions. 4. Logistics and transportation management. Route optimization. AI analyzes traffic, weather, and delivery schedules to recommend the most efficient transportation routes, reducing costs and improving delivery timelines. Carrier selection. Machine learning models evaluate carrier performance to suggest the best partners for cost and service reliability. 5. Supplier collaboration and performance. Supplier insights. AI evaluates supplier performance metrics, such as on-time delivery rates and quality consistency, helping businesses make data-driven decisions about partnerships. Automated negotiations. Machine learning algorithms can analyze market data to optimize contract negotiations with suppliers. 6. Sustainability and compliance. Carbon footprint analysis. AI tracks and measures environmental impacts across the supply chain, aiding businesses in meeting sustainability goals. Regulatory compliance. Machine learning helps ensure compliance with industry regulations by monitoring supply chain activities. 7. Workforce productivity. Intelligent automation. AI automates routine tasks like data entry, freeing up human resources for strategic activities. Enhanced decision support. Machine learning provides prescriptive recommendations, empowering teams to make informed decisions quickly. 8. Enhanced customer experience. Personalized offerings. AI helps businesses tailor their products and services based on customer preferences and buying behaviors. Faster response times. With AI-driven insights, companies can respond to customer inquiries and issues more efficiently. What are the core features of Logility for demand planning and forecasting? Logility is a comprehensive supply chain management platform with robust features tailored for demand planning and forecasting. Here are its core features. 1. Advanced demand forecasting. Statistical modeling uses advanced algorithms and statistical models for accurate forecasts. Machine learning integration leverages AI and machine learning to identify trends and anomalies for improved accuracy. Scenario planning simulates what-if scenarios to anticipate changes in demand and their impact. 2. Collaborative planning. Cross-department collaboration facilitates real-time collaboration between sales, marketing, and supply chain teams. Consensus forecasting aligns all stakeholders on a unified forecast through built-in workflows. Integration capabilities integrates with ERP, CRM, and other enterprise systems for seamless data sharing. 3. Demand sensing. Near real-time data analysis analyzes real-time data such as sales, weather, and promotions to adjust forecasts dynamically. Short-term forecast accuracy enhances forecast precision by reacting to short-term demand signals. 4. Inventory optimization. Demand shaping provides insights to influence customer demand through promotions or pricing strategies. Inventory balancing ensures the right inventory levels across locations to meet demand without overstocking. 5. Predictive analytics. Trend analysis identifies long-term demand trends based on historical and external data. Market dynamics monitoring tracks market conditions, competitive actions, and external factors to adjust forecasts. 6. Multi-tier planning. Global visibility supports multi-echelon planning for a comprehensive view of the entire supply chain. Localization adjusts forecasts based on regional preferences and market conditions. 7. Exception management. Automated alerts flags potential issues such as supply shortages or demand spikes for proactive resolution. Intelligent Insights offers actionable recommendations for addressing deviations. 8. User-friendly interface. Dashboard customization allows users to create custom dashboards for tracking KPIs and performance metrics. Role-based access ensures the right data is accessible to the right team members. 9. Integration with supply chain planning. End-to-end planning links demand planning with supply planning, production scheduling, and procurement to streamline operations. How does Logility enable inventory optimization and management across the supply chain? Logility enables inventory optimization and management across the supply chain through a combination of advanced analytics, AI-driven tools, and integrated supply chain planning capabilities. Here's how Logility facilitates this process. 1. Demand sensing and forecasting. AI and machine learning algorithms. Logility uses advanced algorithms to analyze historical data, market trends, and real-time signals to improve demand accuracy. Demand sensing captures short-term fluctuations in demand, enabling better alignment between inventory and customer needs. Seasonality and promotions management adjusts inventory forecasts based on promotional activities, seasonal variations, and new product launches. 2. Multi-echelon inventory optimization, MEIO. Optimized inventory placement. Logility ensures optimal inventory allocation across all nodes in the supply chain, including manufacturing facilities, warehouse, and retail locations. Service level targeting balances inventory levels to meet specific service level agreements, SLAs, while minimizing carrying costs. Safety stock calculation dynamically calculates safety stock requirements based on demand variability and supply risks. 3. End-to-end supply chain visibility. Unified Data Platform provides real-time visibility into inventory across the entire supply chain, enabling proactive decision-making. Exception management alerts users to potential supply chain disruptions or inventory imbalances. Supplier collaboration enhances coordination with suppliers to ensure inventory replenishment aligns with demand. 4. Scenario planning and simulation. What-if analysis allows supply chain planners to simulate different scenarios, example, supplier delays, demand surges, to assess their impact on inventory levels. Agile decision-making facilitates rapid response to changing market conditions through scenario-based adjustments to inventory policies. 5. Inventory segmentation. ABC and XYZ analysis segments inventory based on value, ABC, and demand variability, XYZ, to prioritize high-impact items. Product life cycle management aligns inventory strategies with the different stages of the product life cycle, reducing excess stock and obsolescence. 6. Cost optimization. Carrying cost reduction minimizes holding costs by optimizing inventory turnover and avoiding overstock. Transportation and distribution planning coordinates replenishment schedules and routes to balance cost and service efficiency. What tools does Logility provide for supply planning and resource allocation? Logility provides several advanced tools for supply planning and resource allocation to help organizations streamline operations, improve efficiency, and meet customer demand. These tools are part of Logility's comprehensive digital supply chain platform. Here's an overview of the key tools and features. 1. Demand planning. Advanced forecasting uses machine learning and AI-driven analytics to predict demand with higher accuracy. Scenario planning allows you to evaluate multiple demand scenarios to prepare for uncertainties. Collaboration tools facilitates communication across teams and stakeholders to ensure alignment. 2. Inventory optimization. Multi-echelon inventory optimization MEIO balances inventory levels across the entire supply chain to minimize costs while maintaining service levels. Replenishment planning ensures inventory is replenished at the right time and in the right quantities to meet forecasted demand. Safety stock management automates safety stock calculations to avoid stockouts. 3. Supply planning. Capacity planning matches supply with demand by analyzing available production capacity and constraints. Material requirements planning MRP generates precise material plans and purchase orders based on demand forecasts. Rough cut capacity planning RCCP evaluates whether production resources can meet the forecasted demand at a macro level. 4. Production planning and scheduling. Detailed scheduling provides visibility into production schedules and optimizes them to reduce bottlenecks. Finite scheduling considers capacity constraints such as labor, machines, and materials to create realistic production plans. Manufacturing Execution System MES integration ensures synchronization between supply plans and real-time production updates. 5. Sales and Operations Planning S&OP. Integrated Business Planning IBP aligns financial, demand, and supply plans for better decision-making. What-if analysis simulates the impact of different demand or supply changes on the overall supply chain. Collaboration dashboards, centralized platform for cross-departmental collaboration and visibility. 6. Network optimization. Supply chain network design optimizes the design of your supply chain network to balance cost and service. Transportation and logistics optimization ensures efficient resource allocation for inbound and outbound shipments. Sourcing optimization identifies the best sources for raw materials or components based on cost, quality, and availability. 7. AI and analytics. Predictive analytics identifies potential issues before they arise by leveraging data-driven insights. Prescriptive analytics provides recommendations for optimal resource allocation, production planning, and inventory management. Performance dashboards, real-time monitoring of key performance indicators, KPIs, for proactive decision-making. 8. Collaboration and visibility. Supply Chain Collaboration Hub, a centralized platform for suppliers, manufacturers, and partners to share data and insights. End-to-end visibility tracks inventory, production, and shipments throughout the supply chain. Supplier management ensures better alignment and communication with suppliers for resource allocation and planning. How can you leverage Logility for sales and operations planning, S&OP? Logility is a robust supply chain management platform that can be leveraged effectively for sales and operations planning, S&OP. Here are the key ways you can use it to enhance your S&OP process. 1. Collaborative planning. Logility facilitates cross-functional collaboration by providing a unified platform where sales, operations, finance, and other teams can work together. Features: real-time dashboards for cross-departmental visibility. Role-based access to ensure relevant data sharing. Centralized repository for S&OP related documents and decisions. Benefit: promotes alignment between demand and supply plans, financial goals, and operational strategies. 2. Demand planning and forecasting. Logility uses advanced analytics and machine learning to deliver accurate demand forecasts. Features: predictive analytics for market demand trends. Scenario planning to simulate the impact of market changes. Statistical and AI-driven models for forecast accuracy. Benefit: helps align sales forecasts with supply chain capabilities and financial objectives. 3. Supply planning. The platform enables optimized supply planning to meet demand forecasts. Features: inventory optimization to prevent overstock or shortages. Resource planning tools for capacity and production alignment. Visibility into supplier constraints and lead times. Benefit: ensures that operational resources are allocated effectively to meet sales objectives. 4. Integrated financial planning. Logility incorporates financial metrics into the S&OP process to evaluate the profitability of plans. Features: cost-to-serve analysis for profitability assessment. Real-time financial impact modeling. KPI dashboards for revenue, margin, and inventory turns. Benefit: ensures alignment between operational plans and financial goals. What are the best practices for configuring and customizing Logility to fit your business needs? Configuring and customizing Logility to fit your business needs involves a strategic approach to ensure the platform aligns with your unique supply chain requirements. Here are some best practices to guide the process. 1. Understand business requirements. Conduct a thorough analysis of your current supply chain processes. Engage stakeholders from across departments to identify pain points and specific needs. Define clear goals for what you want to achieve with Logility. Example: demand planning, Inventory optimization, S&OP. 2. Leverage Logility's pre-built capabilities. Explore built-in functionalities before custom development to avoid unnecessary complexity. Use industry-specific templates, reports, and workflows available within Logility to minimize setup time. 3. Optimize data integration. Connect relevant data sources such as ERP, WMS, CRM, and POS systems. Standardize and cleanse data before integration to ensure consistency and accuracy. Use Logility's data mapping tools for seamless integration with external systems. 4. Customize with caution. Limit customizations to areas where your needs cannot be met by out-of-the-box features. Keep customizations modular to simplify future updates or migrations. Document all customizations, including logic and purpose, for better management and troubleshooting. 5. Focus on user roles and access. Define user roles and permissions carefully to ensure data security and operational efficiency. Tailor dashboards and interfaces for specific roles, example planners, executives, to improve usability and decision-making. 6. Invest in training. Provide comprehensive training to all users to ensure adoption of Logility. Create user guides and SOPs for customized features to reduce reliance on technical teams. Use sandbox environments to train users on new workflows or configurations. 7. Leverage advanced analytics. Use Logility's machine learning and AI capabilities to enhance forecasting accuracy and decision-making. Customize analytical models to reflect your business drivers and trends. 8. Configure alerts and notifications. Set up alerts for critical supply chain events, such as stockouts or shipment delays. Customize notification thresholds based on your operational priorities. Why choose ProExcellency for Logility Decision Intelligence Platform online training? Choosing ProExcellency for Logility Decision Intelligence Platform online training offers several benefits. Expert trainers. ProExcellency provides instructors with deep expertise in the Logility platform, ensuring that learners receive valuable, real-world insights. Comprehensive curriculum. The training program is designed to cover all essential aspects of Logility Decision Intelligence, from foundational concepts to advanced features, giving you a well-rounded understanding. Flexible learning options. The online format allows for self-paced learning, which is ideal for professionals with busy schedules. Hands-on learning. ProExcellency emphasizes practical training, offering learners opportunities to apply their knowledge through real-world simulations and use cases. Personalized support. The trainers are available for one-on-one sessions and troubleshooting, ensuring that learners get the help they need to succeed. Certification. Completing the training program often results in certifications, which can help boost your credentials and career prospects. Customer-centric approach. ProExcellency focuses on the success of each learner, adapting the course materials to the specific needs of the individual or organization. Industry recognition. ProExcellency is known for its quality training, with a strong reputation among professionals in the supply chain and analytics industries. Thank you.